And once you get familiar with internal standards and procedure, and once you understand your industrial process, once you review existing and other projects, it's time to not reinvent the wheel. You will face problems to be solved, and most of the problems is solved with the previous experiences. And that's why it's very important, and that's why the senior people is very important in your industry. But if you did what I'm telling you right now, you already have a lot of baggage, or you have accumulated a lot of knowledge, because the solutions is usually very similar one to another. And if you already know that one material that for nitrogen you need stainless steel, you will not waste time or spend more time than needed to look for new materials to use in your project and something like that. So that is my point to you. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Be familiar with the existing solution that already have. And of course, sometimes will happen the situations that you are not familiar yet, but if you are in touch with magazines and if you are in touch with papers, the chances that you already have seen or already have heard thinking something related to your process is very, very high.